Oh, who's that cutie?
Yeah. Roly-poly.
Come on. Lovable.
So cute. I got new
Yeah.
fur. I want to roll in the mud.
Yeah, you're just gonna make a mess of yourself, aren't you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It is a big mess.
She might have a bath tonight.
They should be good around horses, right?
Against the law, the redneck law, code.
There you go. Give her a kiss.
Yeah. It's even bigger than I'm gonna be.
Oh, he quit. So these are two new horses, June and Prince? I don't know. They're both female. Toby and Trixie. Strutting their stuff. No, it's showing off. Coming together here?
Yeah.
Yeah. So is this yours?
Yeah.
Yeah? When did you get this?
Months ago.
Gets the job done, eh?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Not pretty.
Yeah, it's just not pretty, but it works, eh? Oh, nicely done. Will that burn? We're gonna find out. Hey, how you doing? How you doing? You gonna lick me? What do I taste like? Chicken? No, don't lick me. My horse is always licking me. Horses are always licking me. And that's a fire. And the excavation of making a poop pile. Oh, pierogies! I like pierogies. Do you like pierogies? I like pierogies. Why not? Frickin' pierogies. Let's do that. You busted your shovel.
That's my shovel from
Let's say it's fucked up. We can fix her. He busted the shovel. He tried to pick it up with the with that.
That was my first fight with that shovel.
Should we deliver it, baby?
Yeah, let's take this over to Warren's. Oh. The old TV antenna.
Does he really want it?
Oh, watch. Sorry, buddy.
Watch. Yeah.
Yeah, it's aluminum. He wants the aluminum.
You can scrap that.
Yeah.
Think about that. That's got to be worth like
That's really good.
50 cents.
Let's just pick it up and take it.
$10.
Well, think about it. Like the weight in beer cans that would be. So that's not much.
$10.
Yeah. Is she taking over to Warren's?
Yeah, that's Rosemary.
That a girl. That a girl.
Don't fuck with the roam dog.
No, don't fuck with the roam dog.
That's fucking my. I've had that shovel for 20 years.
Just get another piece of wood, man. You can fix it.
Oh no, I'm not worried about it.
You're gonna chrome your shovel?
It was over 20.
Whose is this?
That's
Ours.
yeah.
Ours. Oh, yes.
Yes.
So chrome your shovel and then yeah.
Chris picked it up with his frickin'.
He almost had it though. He was doing pretty good.
He
And
was showing off.
yeah, he was showing off. He broke it.
Yeah.
What can you do? Fire's going and that's about it for now. Excavator dug the poo pit. That's when that's where the manure is gonna go, I guess. Right in front of that place. Lovely. And yeah, this fire is huge. If it stays lit.
just what you do.